Creating your first DApp with Cues.sg. Choose the blockchain that your smart contract is deployed on. If you are still undecided on the blockchain or you want to create the DApp without having a contract yet, you may click on any option and change it later on. Load your smart contracts. If you have created the contract with us, just click on the contract name to load and repeat if you have multiple contracts. Otherwise, type the contract address into the input field. You can also jump to our contracts page via Create New Contract, or click Next if you do not have any contracts. Now, choose the template that best suits your needs. You may use the drop-down to filter the selection. To proceed, click on any of the templates to preview. Once you are satisfied with your choice, click Select and you will be brought to our DApp Builder. Here is the template chosen. You may want to do a few minor edits so that you can use them. Firstly, change the DApp project name at the top left-hand corner. Let's look at the Colors tab. We have multiple color schemes that you can get inspired from if you have not decided on a set color palette. These colors will appear throughout elements that require color so that you get easy access. You may choose more than one. Go to the Contracts tab if you want to add more contracts, delete them or even change to another blockchain. Moving on, let's see the overall styles. Whenever you are unsure of what a tab is for, you can hover on the options to get a short description or explanation. Change things like font color, background color and actions on start. You can see the changes being reflected in the design panel. For actions on start, you might want users to be able to connect their wallet immediately when they load the website. Add that action here. Use no action if you don't need any actions. The Navigator tab is to see the structure of your DApp. You may also drag and drop elements from one area to another, or click on an element to jump to that element to edit it. Next, go to the Pages tab. You can see that there is another page called FAQ. This is linked via the FAQ text in the navigation bar. Let's say I want a pop-up instead. I will delete the FAQ page. Then, go to the Pop-up tab. Add a pop-up. Scroll through our list of pop-ups and find the one you like. You may then edit the pop-up according to your needs. Let's say you want to change the image. You may then upload your own image here. Now, we will work on the navigation bar. As we deleted the FAQ page, delete the FAQ link here. This will remove the error displayed above. You might want the color to match the background color. Change it here. I think the logo would look nicer if it was on the left instead. Click on the image and go to the position option to move it into the left cluster. You may also change the image as how you did for the pop-up. Here, I will show you how to change the size. Next, edit your social media links by changing the action to open window with URL and add your URL. If you want to change the icon look, go to the icon option. Add an element by clicking anywhere on the navigation bar, then check the text on the top says navigation bar. Go to the Elements tab and add a button where you want it to be. We chose the first one as we want to connect wallet. I prefer my button to just say connect, hence, I will go to the label option and click on the formula to edit it. You may edit any of the branches here by clicking on them. I will also change the color of the buttons. We have some standard colors for the buttons, but you may customize them too. Moving on to the main panel of our DApp. Click on the gallery. Repeat the same steps if you want to change the image. I will leave it as it is for now, but I will change the order of the first and second picture. Let's see how column width of images work. Can you see that as I change the screen size, the number of images in a row changes? This is as we have added the option to allow for custom widths that will change when screen sizes get larger. If I remove the custom width for this screen size, you can see that there is now 3 images per row, which is the same as the previous screen size. I will now make it back to 2 images per row by adding a custom value here. As each row has 12 columns, each image has to have a column width of 6 for it to be 2 images per row. The same goes with column width, where you can alter the size of the gallery until you are satisfied with how it looks. Let's add a contract function. How about changing the main button to a mint button for users to mint NFTs? Firstly, I am going to change the text of the button and the overall styles. Here, you can see me add in custom background and hover colors to the button. All the changes you make will be reflected on the design panel so that it makes it easy to see your design choices. Next, let's go to action. Here, if false here means what to do if they have not connected wallet, which then, I want the function to be connect wallet. If they have connected their wallet, then I want the action to be the mint function. Find the mint function of your NFT contract. Add the variables. Let's say I want them to only mint 1 NFT each time they click the button. Then, add the cost to mint 1 NFT. I fixed this as 0.05 matic in the contract, so that is what I will input. Once done, click on the preview to see how your DApp will look like on different screen sizes. You may also interact with the buttons and other elements to see what would happen if you hover or click on them. When you are satisfied with the look of your website, click Launch. You will then decide if you want us to deploy your DApp for you, or download code and deploy it yourself. If you choose to deploy with us, we will offer you various plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Depending on your plan, you may get the option of changing your URL link. At any point of time, you can choose to add more time to your DApp, download the code, or see some statistics of your DApp. Click the link and you can see your actual DApp. The next step is to market it to your potential users. Read our guide to learn more about actions and how to use our DApp. See you next time.